Hey there, foodies and Uber Eats enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to rate a restaurant on Uber Eats in 2025. With Uber Eats constantly evolving, rating your meals has never been more straightforward or impactful. Whether you're praising a 5-star delivery or suggesting improvements, your feedback helps everyone enjoy better food experiences. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Uber Eats app updated to the 2025 version. It's got some cool new features like AI-powered rating suggestions based on your past reviews. Start by opening the app on your smartphone. You'll land on the home screen, where you can quickly access your recent orders. Next, head over to the Orders tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through your history and select the order you want to rate. Once you're in, tap on the Rate This Order button. It's prominently displayed to make things super easy. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll see a star rating system from 1 to 5. Slide to choose your stars. Remember, 5 means outstanding, and 1 is for when things went south. Don't stop at stars. Uber Eats in 2025 lets you add a personalized review. Type in your thoughts about the food quality, delivery speed, or even packaging. The app might even prompt you with AI-generated tags, like fast delivery or portion size issues, to speed things up. Pro tip: be specific and honest. Your input could influence future orders for other users. After you've rated and reviewed, hit the Submit button, and you're done. It's that simple. By 2025, Uber Eats also rewards frequent raters with perks like bonus points or exclusive deals, so make it a habit. There you have it, folks, a quick and easy guide to rating restaurants on Uber Eats. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more how-to videos, and drop a comment below with your favorite Uber Eats hack. Thanks for watching, and happy rating.